never betray her. She ain't telling no lies. So break the glass ceiling, find your meaning, make truth out of dreaming. Yeah, baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like.
Hey y'all, good morning. We done made it here. We just opted to get one of these carts today because we gotta get a lot of water. And nobody got time to be trying to push 2 baskets today, so. Okay, they got their Snuggle on sale. 235 loads. 244, 235 for $10.94. Snuggle is $9.98. We want Snuggle for $9.98. Should I get 1 or 2? I don't know. If I get 2, I don't have to get none for a little minute. Okay, and she said Lysol. But I don't know where they Lysol will be. Probably over there. It might be down here. It look like it is. I see a yellow sign. So that might be a good thing. How much is it? $11.28. Okay. It's not bad. $11.28 for 3. You remember when they used to be 4 of these in a pack?
Or 1 or 2.
Just give me 1. Don't do that. don't do me like that, baby.
This only 1 day.
Don't do me like that. Yeah, I need 1 and then you need 1.
I should make a chicken sandwich with it.
Yeah, but we don't have a lot that we got to get out of here, y'all. So we're going to be doing good today. And we don't have Philip, so.
Yeah, raised bread, butter, and coffee.
All right. Well, okay, Mama E. You asked for it, you getting it. And she gonna eat it, baby. Now I gotta get the cinnamon. Because I don't eat the What you putting it back for? You ain't like mine? Cause
I thought it was cinnamon bread. That's crazy.
yeah. Cause it's just 1. For that price, that's why I got that one.
How much that one is?
$4.28, but you still better off getting that one. You paying $1 and something more. Like you said, just don't get that. All right. Now I got to get my onions. Because I do use my onions now. And I need my bell peppers and garlic. Not garlic. Oh goodness, why I said that? My bell peppers. $5.48. I am making some stuffed bell peppers one day. Stuffed bell peppers. But I can't tell y'all what I'm stuffing them with yet. Not just yet. It's a secret. And then I got the multi-colored bell peppers. Y'all know I love these. These my babies here. Jordan said I put these in everything.
Like Frank's Red, I put that on everything.
On everything. Yeah, I want them when they hard. So I can put them in my refrigerator in there. That's why I said I just get
pick up take like the ones you want.
Right.
That's too much work.
All right. What else?
Grapes, I guess.
He still got some grapes at home.
Okay, so we gotta go to Cold City.
I don't think so. Cause they strawberries probably kind of high right now. Huh?
They in season in Florida.
Well, shouldn't they be in season everywhere?
They got like a lot of like Georgia, Florida.
Yeah, but I'm saying they should be in season everywhere though. I don't see how much they are. I gotta get me some pineapples. I know that. They're $9.98. That's not bad. Ooh, I don't know what that is on that. These do look kind of pretty though. Don't lie. Hold on. Let me see. Some of them look good, some of them don't. Driscoll to get it together with the strawberries now. Oh yeah, these here look pretty. These here. And I need my lettuce. I think, no, I just bought some lettuce. But I do like to get my lettuce from here because it's only $2. But I just bought lettuce, so I don't need it anymore. Now I gotta go get my pineapples because the cut ones are $7. These are pretty. Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, pineapples. Because Walmart pineapples was on some Schwinky Linky. And these $2.98. Well, I need two.
This one right here.
The little green one. That one look good too. Yeah, because I'm going to cut one today. One of them I'm going to cut today. Because Philip said he want him some pineapples. Because he ate my whole can of my Dole one. The limes are $6.18 for a pack. The lemons is $4.48. That's not bad. I'm going to go ahead and get my lemons from here. Because my brother comes to the house and eat my lemons. These are pretty ones though. This bag good. Alright. Yeah. So I need me some limes and some of my lemons. Alright.
How's the bait, man?
Well, go on and get that one to go with the other one she got. Because then she asked you for some ribs. Well, go on and get that pack then. Ain't nothing wrong with it, is it? Oh, oysters. Dang. No, that's crab meat. They crab meat $29. I was looking at their crab meat. It's $29. I can get it cheaper. $29. All right. Let's get our waters. Oh, well, Jordan getting this. I see some of them small splash waters over there. So let me go see. What's here? They got the small one for $5.98. Look at it. For 8 ounce. I'm going to get Philip 2 of these. Look at it, baby. $5.98.
How many is there?
24. They 8 ounce. I'm going to get him 3. Yeah, I'm going to get him 3. And that'll last. Yeah. Because they $5.98. It's going to save me from having to go to Walmart. Because I told you, I wasn't buying no more of these from Walmart. It was too much. Lemon Perfect hydrating water, full of flavor, not sugar. Original lemon, dragon fruit, and peach raspberry. Okay, that's not bad for it's $16.98. It's not bad. 5.
Oh, she got 2 at the house?
Yeah, but you know we cook with them too. That way we ain't gotta come back because we cook with them. It was 10. Okay, these are ones round they got. Here last time. But then I gotta find Mama some Snapples. Yeah, they had like these, and like I said, these are $10.98, y'all. So Jordan finna get some of these, and then Mama wants some Snapples. They are $19.88. That's what she wants. They got the Snapple Apple, Mango Madness, and Kiwi Strawberry. And then they got the lemonade ones for $19.88 too. And it's a black cherry, watermelon, and strawberry pineapple. Ain't this the one she had? The lemonade one? But can you ask her which one she want? I understand. I don't even see no catfish. I see shrimp. I see scallops. Well, you might have to just get them from your boy. Babe, that's for the fries. Yeah, you need to go to bed. You need to go to bed if you think. Did y'all heard that? He thought the biscuits was $45. My man, my husband tired. He really didn't get enough for me. He said he was finna get up out of here if it was $45 for some biscuits. No, it's not $45 for biscuits. No. I told him he can go home and go to sleep. I go to Walmart. I go to Walmart by myself. He can go home and go to bed. Because I know he's tired. I know he is. He just could not sleep for nothing last night. Let me see how much they bowls are. Oh, that's not bad. $10 for some bowls, as much as I be spending on bowls. I'm gonna get them. And $13 for the plates. All right. 10 for bowls, 13 for plates. Yep. And that's not bad for these bowls, because as much as they use bowls at our house. All right. They $14.98. Them the ones I always get, but I don't know. They getting on my nerve. My kids starting to get on my nerve with these spoons and stuff. It's 600 of them. 13. I think I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get the white ones. They're not gonna care if they eat out the plastic or the white. Hell, they waste more anyway. And that's 600 of them for $13.48. It's 300 for 14. Right. So they can just eat out the. Cause like I said, they ain't gonna do nothing but throw these away.
So what else?
Toilet paper, paper towel. Toilet paper. Just that quick. We out of here. I'm going home. Taking my tail home. I gotta go to Walmart, but he taking his tail home. And we getting out of here.
Okay. You got some of my 2020 twins.
You better leave Martha be. That Snoop old lady. I don't know why y'all be playing with Martha like that. Y'all know Martha shoes. Martha be on it. She probably get more. Oh, Martha. Should I get the... Yeah, I'm going to get the bread. I'm going to get Phillip bread. March the 3rd. Oh, that's Mama's birthday. Okay, we're going to get this one. This on Mama's birthday. That way Phillip will have his bread. We just got to get ours. That's it. Now we out of here. All right, y'all. We made it out the store. Got everything packed in here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, I got everything packed. Now, we got to go run to Walmart. I got to go in and get a few things, not much. And then we're going to finish up our grocery shopping. You said either Thursday, right? I mean, Friday. Either Friday or Saturday, we'll finish our grocery shopping. I only got to go run in Walmart for 2 things. I got to get something for Daxter. Because he needs his little, and then that's it. So I don't have much to get. And we going home and rest for the rest of the day.
Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pet. know you wanna, she'll never betray ya. She ain't telling no lies. So break the glass ceiling, find your meaning, make true